We unzip the file we downloaded from Code Canyon. This is the plugin file. Now on our WordPress backend, we add a new plugin. Install it, and then we activate it. Now we need the item purchase code. We get the item purchase code from the downloads page on Code Canyon. This is the item purchase code. So we copy it and we paste it here and save our changes. Now we open our website. And here's the translator. Let's make a Japanese translation. And see, everything gets translated. That's all. Thanks for watching.